it's Carlos Delta, just to show you with the 4TAC5 setup on the GTFO that has the stealth black shim. It's a tool that can be used on cable ties and combination padlocks, so it's more than a tool just for handcuffs. So extract the shim. When you go into the handcuffs, this is a 9mm one, you just want to just pull it back a little bit, you'll see the tooth drop down, insert the shim and simply open up the cable tie. Let's just show you that again on the camera. It's just there, and then you can open it. It just glides along. And then on the padlock, it's in my handbook somewhere. What I'm going to do is go onto there we go. Take that out. I'll just show you that again. So it's locking. Some of these have a spring, some of them don't. You're going to go full depth all the way down with the uber good shim. Press in the shackle, push down. If it doesn't spring open, then just do that. Okay, and then I'm just going to show you one more thing. As we're looking at padlocks, some padlocks you can actually get it that will open up with a handcuff key. So the handcuff key AHK3 will open up those padlocks, as you can see. Brilliant. Thank you for your time.